Hello guys, so today we will be starting a new question, median of two sorted arrays. So let's first understand the problem. Here we have been given two arrays, that is nums1 and nums2. The first array is of size m and the second is of size n, and both of the arrays are in sorted, both are sorted, and you have to return the median of array. And it is also given that overall time complexity would be log m plus n. But here we will start from the most naive up so that it would be easier for you to handle that in the interview. So let us first check out the example. Here you can see that nums1 is given in the example 1 3 and nums2 is given as 2. So the median is here is 2.00. So how it came? So let us say that first the array is merged and we get 1 2 3. So median is the middlemost element, so that is 2 here. So if the number of elements in the array are odd, so the median will be the middlemost element. Okay, and if the number of elements are even, suppose in the second case the first is 1 and 2, first array has 1 and 2 as element and the second array has 3 and 4. So here and the answer is given as 2.5. So how does it came? See, here it is the merged array 1, 2, 3, 4. So its median would be the average of the middlemost two number. Okay. So first merge the element, sort it, and the median of average of middlemost numbers. So that is 2 and 3. So here they are taking 2 and 3 and divided by 2, that is 2.5. Okay. So this is the middlemost number. This is the median of the two arrays. So for this problem, what we can do is the most basic approach would be to merge both the arrays nums1 and nums2. So let us discuss the first approach. Merge. I will not be coding for the first approach because it's the most naive approach. So the first approach would be merged, merge both nums1 and nums2. Okay, this is the first step. Let me write here. This is the first step, merge both nums1 and nums2. And the second step would be to sort both the arrays. Sort not both the arrays, we have a single array now. Let's say in nums3. So here we are creating another array nums3 and merging both nums1 and nums2 in nums3. Now sort nums3. So what you can do is you can sort nums of 3. And in the third step, if size of nums3 is odd. If the size is odd, then suppose the size is uh, suppose the size is 3. So how we can get the middlemost element, that is size divided by 2. Simply suppose here, check out this example here. The size is 3. The elements are 1 to 3. So 3 divided by 2 would give you 1 as answer, and the 1th index would be that number, that median. So if size of num3 is odd, the median would be median would be, or we can say median is equal to nums 3 of, we can find out the nums dot length divided by 2. This will give you the answer. And in the fourth case, what if the size of median is odd? size of array is even. If the size of array is even, size of is even, then what would be the median? Let us think. So let's go back to our example here. So in nums 1, that is 1 and 2 as a first array and 2 and 3 as a second array. So we have to get both the indices of 2 and 3. So how we can get both the indices? So first we will get the size of this. That would be 4. 4 divided by 2 would give us the index of this, and minus 1 will give us the index of this. So what we can do is here we can have first index बराबर first index we can get it like this, that is now dot length divided by 2, and for the second index we can get the first index minus 1, that is first index minus 1. This will give us the second index. Okay, let us do like this. This will be a better one. Okay, so now what we have to do, median would be equal to nums of 3, not like this, nums of 3 first index plus nums of 3 second index. We have to divide it by 2. So we can divide it by 2 to get the answer. So like this we can solve this problem. So it is a very easier approach here. We are using a very naive approach, and here can you guess the time complexity? Let's analyze. So the time complexity here would be equal to like first we are merging the both the arrays into nums3. So that would be taking as big of n plus n. Okay, and then we are sorting the array. So sorting takes n log n. So in this case it will take n plus m log n plus m. So this will be the time complexity, and what will be the space complexity? So the space complexity would be equal to big of n plus m. So guys, this is the first approach. So here what we are doing, we are merging the both the arrays into a third array, and based on the condition whether the final array is odd or even, we are finding the median of the array. Okay, so this is the first approach. Let us move to the second approach. So what we can do in the second approach is, let us think, since both the arrays are sorted, initially both the arrays are given as sorted, so we can take advantage of it. Like we can use two pointer approach, something like a two pointer approach. So think of what we can do. We can think of something like this.